So here's the mixer. As you can see, it comes with a whisk, beater, and dough hook, and a spatula. It's very simple to put together. Once it's plugged in, here you can see the knob. This is the P for pulse if you're doing dough in different levels with the mixer here. So just like this. And you can turn it back to 0 once it's done. To open it up, it's very simple. Just twist the knob and it pops right up like that. And then to get it back down, you would just hold this and push this down here, and it comes as well with the cover here to keep things from spilling and things like that. Pretty large mixer bowl as well, also easy to get off. It could just twist and hooks here. And the bottom actually has some suction cups down here as well to keep it stable when you're using it. And
no alcanza a tocar, pero queda cerca. No suena tan duro.
Esa no es la de esa cuchilla.
¿Se va a hacer?
Esa es la 4. La que sigue es la de esa cuchilla.
Alright, Amazon, this is my review for the HOWORK mixer. It's massive. The bowl is 8.5 quarts, so it's pretty big. Locks in, as you can see. Take it out, lock. Comes with the following accessories. You got a cover, a strainer for juices, I'm assuming, cake batter mixer, and you got 2 actual metal mixers. Snaps into these ridges. If I wasn't doing it with one hand, but pretty much it locks in. Close it down. You have your multiple speeds here.
It is a little loud, but hey. You tolerate it. It's not that super loud. I came downstairs and